All right. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Happy Friday, or I guess Saturday in some locations. So we are live on YouTube. I'm going live on TikTok as well. For those of you watching in the future, I apologize in advance for the constant stream of good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me pull up. Ooh, funding rate heat map. I haven't looked at that in a while. So look at funding rate heat map and ETF flow. So hello, Mr. Cuz. Don't take the bait. You've been warned. All right, Mr. Cuz. Hello, Chad, JM. Link. Is Link doing something? I don't know. Hello, Madvin, Eli, Paul. Good afternoon, Barry. Hello, everyone on, yeah, loving what I'm seeing with HEEHEE. Hello, everyone on TikTok. All right. ETF flow looks good. Last couple days, at least, 303 million in inflows yesterday or 2 days ago, 257 yesterday. Good morning, Pascali. All right. So Chainlink's going off. I wasn't paying attention. Let's take a look at Chainlink. What is going on with Link 1621? Yeah, it's up. It's very clearly broken through its support and resistance. There was an SR flip. I would not be longing Chainlink right now. So, Bitcoin prediction going down or no? I mean, listen, we had a $5,000 candle the other day. So I'm live on YouTube, by the way, for those of you on TikTok. So I think that's a little too much too soon. I'd be buying when we get to certain moving averages. I wouldn't be buying right now necessarily. So 20 days about to cross over the 50-day EMA, and so Wes, I don't have time to answer your question in depth, but more buying than selling can cause the crypto market to go up. So, all right, good morning from Puerto Rico. Hello. So I would wait for at least to move down to the 20-day EMA before buying Bitcoin right now. And so other cryptos, Bitcoin dominance. All right, it's down today. I mean, I did notice that other cryptos seem to be doing well. I like Jasmine. I see that comment there. LCX looking good. Is LCX looking good? Still selling AOs and render the 22nd. Yes, I am. Yeah, LCX it's up. It's up. So let's see if we can move higher. So are we going down more? Again, the thing that I just said is, I mean, I don't think we're going back down to the 50s, but I wouldn't be buying Bitcoin right now. I would wait for at least the 20-day EMA to get up there. So WSDM update. I have not looked at the chart. I'm bullish on WSDM. I'm not going to look at the chart every day or every moment. So banana season. There we go. Let's go. Link project news. I don't know. Is there news with Link or is it just pumping? There's a frenzy over CRKN and FFIE. All right. What's your prediction on AVAX? So, I mean, Wisdom's just in general, it's ranging right now. AVAX 220, 200 something dollars. I don't remember exactly. Mark, yes. AOs and render. I'm selling my short-term bag. I bought AOs and render, a short-term bag. I have a long-term bag that I'm not selling, but a short-term bag of AOs and render. I am selling that on the 22nd because I bought some May 2nd in anticipation of a run up to the Nvidia earnings report. That is what has happened. They both have stalled out, but I'm still going to be holding my long-term bag of AOs and render. It's just a short-term play. I'm out on the 22nd. So your price prediction on Link says $58. Do you still think that's the 2024, 2025 all-time high? Yes. Yes. And it's not an all-time high. I don't have a price prediction for WSDM, no. Why is CRKN pumping? I have no idea. I don't know what that is. So you're welcome, Mark. Chainlink price prediction, $58.33. Of course it is. I sold yesterday to buy more Superverse. Oh, Chainlink. LCX gets bonked on the head when it touches 31. Be patient. LCX is held up well. Prediction on Gala, 35 cents. LCX, $7.37. Solana is keeping the momentum, and HEEHEE is about to run. Yes, sir. HEEHEE is about to run. Guys, by the way, I'm gonna do a space on X by noon. I did post like, hey, any meme coin developers, if you want to be in on this, hop on in. That's a little bit more than 2 hours from now. It's pretty short notice, and I'm not contacting anyone directly, so it may not be that I get on with any meme coin developers, but I'm still going to be on the space. And if any of you want to talk, we can talk directly on the space, like hop on in. So that's in 2 hours from now. So Loop Ring, my target is $4.09. Thoughts on Carrot? Don't know enough. Thought I'm buying coin stock right now. I've never owned Coinbase stock. I don't plan on it. I just rather own Bitcoin. So let's see. Distribution has ended. All right. Do you think we consolidate in 60, 70K range until the end of the summer? I think we're going higher now. So not aggressively, but just higher. Small caps to buy now. Nothing that's on my radar in particular aside from things that have looked pretty dead. I bought some Zion Wallet. I bought some Bepe. Bought some Pepe. Bought some Brett. Brett doesn't look dead. Pepe certainly doesn't look dead. I bought some Boge. Aerodrome. A lot of base cryptos. So what do you think about Terra Virtua Collect? I don't know anything about that. Is Floki a good buy? I mean, it's a meme coin, Meme coins are going to do what they do. I'd have no problem buying Floki right now. So, VRA, they are separating Vericoin. Okay, I just don't care. Boshi is pumping on base. Okay. Yeah, a lot of base cryptos. Do you follow Caesar on X? I don't know. Shinobi Ninja while it's low. I bought some Shinobi. Sorry, I used the Shinobi Ninja bot, and it didn't work out for me. I hope it works out for you. So, is Moonwell a good option? Somebody asked me to look into that yesterday. It looks pretty interesting. So, VRA still good? I don't think so. No. Oh, man. Why are you selling AOs? Do you think the narrative will be over on May 22nd? No. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's really frustrating for me. Can somebody else explain to me what I'm doing on May 22nd with AOS and render? Please, somebody else. Let's see. Should have listened to you the other day when you said buy ARC block at 296. Did I say that? I mean, I'm just saying it's looking strong. It's looking strong. Your predictions are pretty high. Oh my goodness. All right, Lee says your predictions are pretty high. What factors are going to participate this alt run up? It's funny you say my predictions are high. A lot of people say my predictions are too conservative. And I tend to agree with you. My predictions may end up being too high. But what factors are going to precipitate this alt run up? It's like, all right, Bitcoin, I don't believe that $74,000 was the peak. Next time Bitcoin crosses and holds its all-time high, that is the breeding ground that we need for alts to move higher. So whenever that happens, Good morning, WP. Did you sell all your FET due to the merger? Thanks. I sold all my FET just because I guess you could say due to the merger. I just don't want to mess around with that. It just reeks to me. I mean, if you hold it, fine, But let's see. Selling secondary bag of AOs he bought specifically for earnings. Long term is still in play. Thank you, Nathan. Do you hold any LRC? I don't know. You should have a look in Ring AI. I made a video on Ring AI. So, guys, again, I'm live on YouTube. I am live on YouTube World War Bitcoin. I agree about the merger. Mergers have never worked out to me. Sold all mine also. Yeah, you know. Bonk's a meme coin. Meme coins will do well when they do well. You're welcome, Matt. Flipping to YouTube. Okay, Nathan. What else do we have here? Thoughts on GameStop? GameStop's done. It was a nice. It was fun. It was fun for a few days. Let me see where the GameStop price is. No, Ring AI is on TikTok. HEEHEE. Yeah, GameStop's at $20. It's over, man. He's slowly climbing. So, are you still in Beppe? I bought some Beppe last weekend. I love a chart that looks like Beppe's. Boring to death, you know. Please be bored by Beppe. I'll snatch that up at $1.5 million market cap. Bonk or Floki, I don't know. Flip a coin. XLM versus XRP. How about none of the above? I mean, they're both gonna rip at the end and only at the end. So, can you see LRC $4.09 is my target. Emerald pumping as they started moving blockchain. Man, I should have bought some. That's the kind of chart that I like to buy. Can HEEHEE go to $10? That's a $10 billion market cap. No, actually, that's a $13 billion market cap. That's probably not happening this bull run. Let me be real with you. But I am pushing this forever. And so could I see it one day getting to $10? Yes. Yes, I could. Is that a price prediction? No, it's not, because I am legally not allowed to give price predictions. So Brett or DGen, I don't know enough about DGen, but Brett. So what about Near? $28 is my lower end price target on Near. Near looks strong right now. I'd be buying some Near right now as a short-term play. So $8, yeah. When will Tau rip? I don't know. Yeah. Ondo looks good too. Oh, it's a $7 billion market cap. Excuse me. I got my numbers mixed up there. So could I see HEEHEE getting to a $7 billion market cap one day? Yes, I could. Yeah. All right, let's see. Alex Swap got hacked. What is Alex Swap? I don't even know what that is. Is this going to change my average? JN is what going to change your average? There's never been part of a full phase bull run when euphoria returns. Predictions are pretty good. IMO. Yeah. Price for Rose. $1.25 is my price target for Rose. So you still think LCX 737? Yes. HEEHEE going to $1. Your words, not mine legally, but I do believe we will one day see a $1 HEEHEE. So we'll see. We'll see. So do you think it will get put on exchange soon? I've learned a lot about exchanges. I'd be happy to pay some money out of my own pocket to apply to get listed on some other exchanges, some smaller exchanges. But you don't have to pay for your cryptocurrency to get listed on an exchange. If it does well, they will just add it. Like Bitmart, MEXC, they're going to charge $50,000. I'd rather not pay $50,000. How about we get this thing rolling and then they'll just add it? So if there was a low cap AI coin you had to bet will be a top performer, which would you bet on? You know what? Here's a new one. This just got on my radar today. I think it has a lot of potential. I'm probably going to make a video about it next week on my TikTok. And so I'm telling you guys early access, okay? I'm giving you early access right now. I think this one's going to do very well, and not just because I'm making a video on it next week. It's called TARS Protocol. It is the only AI crypto on Solana, and it's backed by Solana. So I don't know if that might not be true. That's the only AI crypto. It's the only one that I know of on Solana. But Solana is pouring money into this because because they know that AI is the narrative. I mean, meme coins is the narrative. AI is the narrative. Victor, I already said it. So TARS protocol. Follow them on X. TARS protocol. So the small cap AI crypto. I don't think they've launched yet. I mean, this is just literally on my radar today. So the reason why it got me interested is like legitimately Solana is funding them. So that's why. HEEHEE is on Solana. HEEHEE's on Solana. So, all right. I didn't check out. Funding rate heat map looks good still. Bitcoin ETF flow looks very good. GameStop, it was a fun week for GameStop. GameStop's over. Let's go back to Bitcoin here. All right, let's see here. Good time to get into Arrow, most likely, yes. Arrow. Yeah, $1.07. It was a great time earlier this week. You bought DOT in April 2021? No, it's not going back to that price. I'm sorry, man. So 04DX, I don't know anything about it. Arrow or GFI. I haven't done enough research on Goldfinch, so I'm going to say Arrow. Ready for everything to rip? Yeah. Let's see. Hold on a second. I mostly just have LCX, had about a year now. I think it will do well. All right, there you go. Let's see. Good morning, Alex. Realistic thoughts on a top for Noble with its increase in supply. Can it reach 500 million? I've been talking about, because of its increase in supply, I've been talking about 500 million fully diluted valuation, which is still a huge return for now for Noble blocks. What do you think about Say? I'm not a fan of Say. Not a fan. So, Alex Labs, the Bitcoin play, we like it. Yes, yeah. Oh, Alex Labs. Okay. So Alex Labs got hacked. Uh-oh. I mean, all right. They'll get over it. They'll get over it. So, thoughts on SOBA? I wish them well. I wish you well, crypto bastard. You think GME Solana still has a dead cat bounce left? I haven't paid attention to GME Solana, what it's doing right now. I would assume that it's down because GameStop's down, but would it have a dead cat bounce? It could have a dead cat bounce. I mean, people really love GameStop, the cause. So, thoughts on Ondo? Very bullish on Ondo. I love Ondo. FFIE, don't know enough. So, ticker TAI. TARS, I don't know what TAI is. So, Dara, what are you doing? Stop. Can you make a video on Virtue TVK? Get in line. So, Swarm, I made a video about Swarm on YouTube. Check it out, please. What's your view on FLT? Don't know enough. Is Sushi an active DEX that still has a following? I use Sushi a decent amount. I would say Sushi's still active, yeah. Been longing Brett since 0.03. Where's Brett right now? I bought $1,000 of Brett 2 days ago. I haven't paid attention to it, but okay, cool, it's up. So, all right, I'm up. So, your predictions on crypto, is it based on a conservative thought? It's based off of a $7 trillion market cap, and it's based a $7 trillion total crypto market cap. Yeah, HEEHEE is a $7 million market cap right now. So my predictions are based 6.8 million fully diluted valuation. The price as of right now is 0.008948. So my people tell me my predictions are too conservative, that they're or realistic, whatever. But listen, I'm basing that off of a $7 trillion total one market cap. I look at historic market cap dominance, and I look at circulating supply. I look at circulating supply projections. I think a lot of people who give predictions based off of where a price is right now, they're basing it off of today's circulating supply. And for a lot of these cryptos, they're very highly inflationary. Like Sui is incredibly highly inflationary. And so there's no way that Sui is going to get to where some people think that Sui is going to get. There's a lot of cryptos that I could say about that. And so I'm not too conservative. I am using more data than a large majority of people. So Sui, my price target for Sui is $11.43. I wouldn't be surprised if there were people calling for this thing to go to $50 or $100, and that's just one example. It's not happening. There is no chance, zero chance that Sui is going to $50. Zero. But I have no idea. I wouldn't be surprised if there were people calling for Sui to go to $50. It's not happening. And that's just one example. So I'm not too conservative. I actually think that my price targets, a lot of them are not going to hit. So what do you think about Aptos? I mean, my price target is aggressive for Aptos. It's based off a $50 billion market cap and based off of what their supply is going to be, you know, around the time that most people think it's going to peak. And so it's $111. I mean, I think it's $111. It's on a spreadsheet. So let's see. Crody will do some big numbers. Crody seems like a no-brainer to me. It's like Crash is going to pump it. It went up to $40 billion. Now it's down to, it got down to $3 billion, or sorry, $3 million in market cap. And now it's up to, last I checked, it's up to 9. I bought some at $5 million. I bought some at 3. I wish I bought more. So yeah, Crody, I'm sure, is going to go over 100 million. That just seems like a no-brainer to me. So it's at 8 right now. Okay. XLM, very underwhelming. ISO 20022, stay away from it for this bull run. Next bull run. TARS protocol. Top 10 holders own 93% of the tokens. Okay. You know what else? The top holders owned a lot of the tokens was Brett. You know, and people made life-changing gains on Brett. That prevents whale manipulation. You know what I would love? I would love it. If I could do HEEHEE over again, I would personally have bought up 93% of the supply and then not touched it. That would have been great. But I should have bought more. So TARS is up and running. Okay, I really need to look into that. TAI is the ticker for TARS protocol. TARS is down today 23%. Listen, I'm telling you, that's exciting to me. All right, it's down 23%. Good. Go down more, please. So when you say something is on Solana, is that an exchange you buy from? I wouldn't mind getting some HEEHEE. No, that means it's built on the Solana blockchain. So a lot of cryptocurrencies are built on a different blockchain. Like if you go to Coin360, I don't know if this is true on coin360.com, but let me just pull up coin360.com and I'll name a bunch of cryptos that are built on Ethereum. Sorry, I just got a phone call. So what are some cryptos built on Ethereum here? Man, they used to have it separated. I haven't gone to Coin360 in a while. They used to have it separated by what blockchain these cryptos were built on. So that's not the case anymore. Man, okay. IMX is built on Ethereum. Polygon's built on Ethereum. I know Crypto.com is built on Ethereum. Aave is built on Ethereum. These are cryptocurrencies built on these platforms. So if you wanted to get HEEHEE, which is going to one day be over $1 billion, here's what you got to do. Go to dexscreener.com and copy this contract address starting with 9DLUV. And then here's what I would do. I would go to Jupiter. Jupiter.ag swap. And do you believe Tau will 5x or 10x? I don't think it's a 10x. So copy the contract address. This is what I'm just going to do it right now. I'm gonna buy 1/10 of a Solana worth of HEEHEE, just so you can see. Contract address, it's right there. And then you paste it. Unfortunately, it has a picture of Michael Jackson, but our logo is a fox. So 0.1 Solana, and then just swap. And there you go. Good morning, Ollie. And you got to confirm the transaction, confirm it, and we're good to go. So about to throw down more on HEEHEE. Do it. It's hitting at least 200 million this cycle. Your words. I will not give commentary to protect myself on that. All right, guys, I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. The Fox is sleek, yeah. Foxy, I don't know how Foxy is doing. But, okay. Do you still think your price prediction of Ondo is 371? I've talked Ultimate King Hunter a ton about... Dan, I can't do anything about it. I cannot do anything about that. My prediction for Ondo is probably too low. So I made my price target video on Ondo predicting $3.71. I believe Ondo was like 15 or 20 cents. That seemed very aggressive for me at the time. Once it's on my spreadsheet, I'm not changing it. I believe Ondo is going to do very well. So Arweave's a good short-term play. My target's over 100, like a little over $100, which that also seems a little too conservative now. But when I made my video, it didn't seem conservative at all. So what's my target on Arweave? 106. It's very obviously going above 106. So let's see. Should Aurora be running as strong as Near has been? Give it time. It'll catch up is what I think it's going to happen. Are you looking into USD support to time the top? No, but there's somebody I follow on X who gives updates on that. So his name is Understanding Crypto. I really like this dude. He is very technical. Understanding Crypto, African guy, wears not a fedora. I don't know what it's called, a hat in most of his videos. Latest Crypto Crew University video, very interesting. I don't watch him a ton, but I'll check it out. I have 5K, please. Tell me how to split them between different wallets and coins. I'm just going to have to name the coins. I'm not going to explain the wallets. Or maybe I will. Ondo and Render and EOS are on Coinbase. So just go to Coinbase. Pendle, you can get it on Coinbase Wallet. LCX, you can get it on Coinbase. HEEHEE, you can get it on Jupiter. You can get HEEHEE on Coinbase Wallet. So TAR's all-time low, time to buy. Yep. Brett went through a massive FUD with most of the supply being owned by the dev, but it's the dumbest FUD. It's right. That's right. That's absolutely right. That is what is appealing to me about Brett. The FUD about Brett, that the devs own so much of the supply. That's why it did what it did. So as to prevent whale manipulation. Do you think Mana will hit your price prediction? I mean, it's a price prediction, you know. I would think that it will, but it might not. The thing that I said about Mana in that video is that Mana will pump during euphoria and not any time before then, really. So, what coin's the next Solana? If I knew that, I'd be buying only that coin. So, thoughts on ETH, Bitcoin moving, but ETH not. It's time for Bitcoin dominance. It is time for Bitcoin's dominance to rise, but that's not going to be the case forever. So, check this out. Let me pull up the weekly chart on with Bitcoin's dominance, and you'll see very clearly what happens. When do you think the next Solana meme coin pump is? We got to see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So, oh man, I did it a little too much. So somebody pointed this out to me. I mean, look at this uptrend that we've been in with Bitcoin dominance. For those on TikTok, you're not going to be able to see it. But this is just, we're in an uptrend for Bitcoin dominance. That's going to be the case for some time. And then Bitcoin's dominance is going to break down and go down pretty significantly. So best wallet to hold, Orange or Clore. I don't know about Orange. I would assume Uniswap or MetaMask, you know. 20 ETH or 1 Bitcoin, whatever is worth more. Clore, you can get on MEXC. I know that. So we will dip down to low 60 again. Low 60s. I mean, so if you're talking 62, 63, I could see that. But here's the deal. Listen, I've talked about this a ton already. I would not be buying Bitcoin right at this moment. Not right at this moment, but at the very least, you have to wait for the 20-day EMA, the red line on my screen here, the 20-day EMA to either rise or for Bitcoin to go down to the 20-day EMA at the very least. So that green candle 2 days ago was phenomenal, but now we have to wait a little bit. And I mean, the weekend's coming. CME futures close this evening, and Bitcoin will just kind of hang around. That's what it does on weekends. It doesn't go too far above or too far below where the CME futures closes, and then it taps that, and then on Monday, or Sunday night or Monday, it'll move again. So NXRA thoughts. I like NXRA. I did a price target video on it on my YouTube channel, RWA Crypto. RWA is one of my top 3 favorite narratives. NXRA price target, $3.13. It's more than a 20x from where it is right now. So Wisdom AI, talked about it a lot already. I like it. It's a big market cap, so you got to be mindful of that. Wanting to learn how to trade, do you have any courses? I have one that I recommend. It's way better than anything I will ever do. It's by somebody who, actually, let me just go to the, no. All right, let me go to my most recent YouTube video here. I strongly recommend this. I bought it. I bought this course. My Aerodrome bag is like $1,000, nothing huge. I should have more, but, so listen, I bought the course. And so then I messaged the guy and was like, and I've been friends with him for a couple of years, but he's a millionaire. He's a multimillionaire. He's in his 20s. He lives in Bali right now, and he's a trader. All he does is trade, and he made it. He made it. So you can see it in the description section of my videos, all of my videos. So let me click here, and you can see, check out this amazing course. Use referral code WWBTC for a 10% discount. That is in the description section of every one of my YouTube videos. Brett will never be listed on Coinbase with 81% being owned. Stop spinning. That is good. Why does it have to be listed as Coinbase? Why is that a requirement? I mean, I know it will do better, but listen, I'm not talking about Brett going to $45 billion, which is what Shiba Inu did in 2021, having not been listed on Coinbase. I'm talking about Brett to like 10 billion maybe. And so anyway, cryptoelite.com, crypto mastery course, and use my referral ID, WWBTC. You will get 10% off. And all right, it's muted. So this is 40 hours, more than 40 hours of content. 40 hours of content. It is amazing. It is so good. It's more in depth. Like I messaged him. I asked him how long it took. Cryptoelite.com. I asked him how long it took. And he said it took him more than a year. I think he might have said 2 years. I think it took him 2 years to make that course. Yeah, Dual, Game GPT, I own a decent amount of Dual. So somebody said GME's back. Maybe GME stock or GME crypto. Or are you just talking about this week? Yeah, GME stock's not back. It came back and now it's done. Let me look at the GME crypto here. So have you looked into Soldocs? Maybe you could do some live check. I'm not going to look into it right now. All right, so GME's down. It's $48 million market cap. I mean, people were up huge this week. Can it get back? It's on people's radars right now. I would not be buying GME crypto right now. So you're welcome, Mark. Not coin any good? I don't know. So I would definitely not be buying GME right now. If it gets under $10 million, I'll be buying some GME crypto. So easy 20 to 100x from here, Dual. Hey, what's up, Noxify? Noxy's been with me since the GameStop days. So, all right, what else? He's good. Oh, understanding crypto is super smart, yeah. Yeah, not going to do a live check on Soldocs. I find it strange market cap is so low and people not aping in to what? Can you talk about Big Daddy 007X messages and market predictions? No idea who that is. No idea who that is. Minicky, I'm not going to look at it right now. Understanding crypto is very good and it's technical and he makes it understandable. Yes, yeah. $10 is only a $7 billion market cap, not 13 billion. Yeah, somebody already corrected me on that, Joshua, but thank you. What is your view on 9gag's meme coin? Oh, 9gag has, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. DeFi Daddy said Brett's a scam. Okay. Castle Winner, I don't care. I bought some Brett this weekend. It's going to go higher. I mean, listen, I saw this meme. I'll get back to 9gag. I saw this meme, and it very much resonated with me. So, hello, Sufan. One person is there. It's two people on a train. One person is looking at the wall, being like, crypto's a scam. All crypto's vapor. I don't remember what it's. Crypto's a scam. And then another person is looking out the window, enjoying the mountains, like, crypto's a scam. Isn't, and it's just like, so you're calling Brett a scam. And it's one of those things where it's like 99% of crypto is vapor. And I'm so skeptical of so many cryptos other than Bitcoin. 99% of crypto, we are in the .com era. I'm sorry. It's just, you are playing with funny money. This is all an illusion. And so you're going to call Brett a scam, and I'm going to sit here and be like, all right, if you're going to call Brett a scam, at least be consistent and just call everything a scam. And that's why right now I own more stocks than crypto, and that's why Bitcoin is not a scam. FYI, Bitcoin, I am a believer in Bitcoin. That's why my channel is World War Bitcoin. But one day, crypto will not be a scam. One day, it's 99% of cryptos are not going to be a scam. Today is not that day. So if there's an opportunity to make some bucks on this, then I'm all for it, man. But I'm not, I'm not along for the ride with this mindset of like, oh, Brett's a scam because blah, blah, blah. No, you know what? Let's just go straight down the list then. Just, anyway. Solnick going for it. Yeah, Solnick was a scam. It got rugged, and then the community took over. And I support them. All right, anyway. So 9gag. Listen, oh my god, the reason why I was having kind of a revelation there, like 9gag has literally not entered my consciousness. It has to be like a decade. It's been a decade. So Solana price prediction, $691. VRL, I don't have a price target for you, man. VRL, so many people calling VRL a scam. I am convinced that they are legitimately trying to work and build something. But if you're going to call VRL a scam, you know who. All right, let's just go down the list. Let's go down the list. They haven't rugged. They've been building. They've been trying as hard as they can. And so many people are owning in on them, calling them a scam. Let's go down the list and call everything a scam. Floki, it's a meme coin. All right. Do you think Pepe and Dog with Hat will pump a lot? Yes. So I have no idea about 9gag's meme coin. What happened with 9? I don't know. 9? What's 9? DMTR, I don't know enough. LOL, he is saying Brett won't be listed because they read it somewhere and believe everything they read. They distribute most token for treasuries and other exchanges. I have no dog in the fight. I bought Brett. I'm going to make money off of Brett. Brett at a $300 million market cap, that's a no-brainer for me. Now it's at over a $400 million market cap. And in the bear market, it's going to go well under $100 million. And you know what? I will buy Brett in the bear market because it's going to come back next time Euphoria returns. Thoughts on GameSwift? I'm sorry, I don't know enough, and I know you've been waiting for a while. BNB is getting ready for a run. BNB looks so strong right now. BNB, just wow. That chart, as soon as BNB starts climbing and just goes back above the 786 retrace and then retests it and breaks through, it's off to the races, man. Moki Defo, check it out. Yeah, Moki looks good as well. Guys, I am telling you, half of my portfolio is going to be in meme coins at some point. Not right now, but at some point. ICP price prediction 223.40. Swarm markets. I made a video on my YouTube channel. Please check it out. World War Bitcoin. Haha, it's the guy who DM'd you on Twitter. What are you talking about, Ravi? I don't know what you're saying. What's the name of that 40-hour course again? You click on the description link. Click on the description of any one of my YouTube videos, not my live streams or my shorts, but any one of my regular YouTube videos, and you'll see it there. CryptoLeet.com. Someone mentioned Beppe. Is that Blast Pepe? It's not. No, it's Beppe. It's Pepe, but he's blue. So yeah, CryptoLeet. Thoughts on why Quant is below $100? Quant's been a huge disappointment so far. We'll see what happens. I do think it'll rip at some point, but what's your great coin? HEEHEE. TARS or TARS protocol. Don't mean to repeat. TARS protocol. Follow them on X. Yeah, Quant. I got nothing for you on Quant. It'll rip eventually, and then it'll be the end. So crypto will end up being the 12th financial sector in the stock market eventually. Okay. No idea what you're talking about, but cool. Thank you, Calixto. Arc block prediction. I've been saying a bunch. I can't give you a prediction on Arc block. Arc block is so insane to me. It's like they did nothing. They did nothing last bull run. All you need is XRP. All you need is XRP. What about say makes it looking like it's ready? I mean, double bottom, sure. No confirmation of a higher high on the daily yet. Maybe a higher low, but hey, Alex, what do you think of Energy Web token? I have heard of it. I don't know anything about it. So, Milady, it's a meme coin. Make a tattoo with all you need is XRP. There is no amount of money in the world that you could pay me. Trump versus Biden coins. What about him? Listen, all right, let's talk about that. People, the people who love Trump, not political commentary, don't take it that way. They love Trump a lot more than the people who love Biden I mean, who loves Biden? People love not Trump. They don't love Biden. It seems to me like an obvious play. If you're going to get into one or the other, either buy a cryptocurrency, a Trump coin, or buy a coin that's making fun of Joe Biden. That's the play. But I don't care. So, make America based again. Hello, Poma. AOs, very bullish on AOs. Solnick, it's moving. Thanks for the support. You're welcome. Popcat or Mew, guys, I don't know. Meme coins. But they're going to pump over the election. Yeah, I mean, there's an obvious play here. So, more people despise Trump than care about Biden. That's a reason to buy Trump coins. Or to buy, yeah. Most blue chips are showing a lot of strength. Good. It's time. Are we looking at Brett going over 10 billion this run, or is everyone overly optimistic? Could it go over 10 billion? There is a world where I could see that happening. I am not holding my Brett until 10 billion. So FK Biden will print. It probably will. Promise, last comment about Brett. People forget it's the largest meme on Base, and on-chain summer is coming where Coinbase is going to bring people to their network. 70% still don't know how to buy. Yeah, that's true. It's not easy buying Brett and buying these based meme coins. And once that becomes easier, it's bullish. So Let's see. It will rip and then be the end. What does that mean? That means just listen. If you start seeing these older cryptocurrencies that are stagnant, just going on a tear, just absolutely going on a tear, going higher, just exploding in price, that's going to be pretty close to the end. That's what happened in 2021. Maybe we'll have 3 months, 2 months, something like that, but it'll be close to the end. And the one that, nice, Poma, awesome. The one that I would very much pay attention to above everyone else, as far as when it rips, is Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic has a long-standing history of exploding, and then it's over. So if Biden gets elected, sell everything. Yeah, I think Trump is going to win. I think the powers that be want him to win so that they can blame what's coming on him. But whatever the case, if I have any of these election-based cryptocurrencies, I'm selling them before the election. It's too much of a gamble for me to be holding them after. So, thoughts on MAGA meme coin? I hope I already gave some thoughts. Yeah. GTM, I don't know what that is. On token unlocks, are you familiar with what a private round unlock is? I'm assuming I am familiar because, you got these seed investors in the private rounds, and then there's the token generation event, which is when the token launches. And a lot of the times the seed investors don't get any of the allocation at that point, but then give it whether it's a 6-month cliff or a 1-year cliff or a 3-month cliff, whatever the case, after that time passes, then they get their allocation, and they're going to sell. Okay, Castle. Okay. I think we've talked about this already, Castle. Maybe it was you. It's like the fact that Trump is winning in the polls, and the fact that that the polls historically skew left, and that on election day, what happens is that there ends up being more voters for the Republican whether they win or not. That seems to communicate to me something different than what you're saying, and I don't care. So, I kind of care in the fact that a Trump election would be more bullish, but you're quoting clickbait polls. No, Castle, I'm done with you after this comment. I am literally, I'm basing this off of what has happened historically. So, till now, have not buy any meme category coins, planning about HEEHEE only because of you. What is the current market cap of HEEHEE? It is 7 million, exactly 7 million. So, I'm not going to block him. I'm just tired of I see his there's so many of you commenting, and I see his comments. For some reason, my eyeballs catch his comment. Maybe he's spamming or something, and we've disagreed a lot during this live stream. That doesn't mean I'm going to block him. I'm not one of those snowflakes. I'm blocking you because you're oppressing me with your disagreeing comments. That's absurd. Thoughts on BOEM, Book of Memes, Solana meme coin? It's a meme coin. From now on, every question about a meme coin during this live stream, I'm just going to say it's a meme coin. What can I do? I can't look at buy meme coins based on the community. I can't look at the communities for every one of these meme coins. But I've seen Book of Meme do well. I'm sure it's going to continue to do well. All right. Adult diaper producers like Biden. Okay. Pendle reversed to bullish. What's Pendle at right now? 484. Guys, man. I understand when Pendle dips, it's like, you still bullish on Pendle? Nothing has changed with Pendle. Nothing has changed with Pendle. It is my #1 high conviction cryptocurrency. Can Alex recover from hack? Buy Alex. Buy it right now. Not financial advice. Hacks. Solana has been hacked so many times. So most crypto gurus turned MAGA influencers. What a time to be alive. Are you talking to me? Are you talking about me? I have no horse in the race. I say it like I see it, man. Whoever is going to win, their party is not going to be the president in 2028. They're going to get dumped on so hard. If I was a Republican, I would want Biden to win. If I was a Democrat for this next election, I would want Trump to win. I am dead serious. Have you looked at Benji? It's another meme on base. No, I haven't. Sorry, Ollie. Hi, Alex. What do you think of Solidus AI tech? It's going to be an epic pump and dump. I've talked about that a ton. It's going to pump hard. So you know what? I own some. I'm in for it. But all of their vesting is going to be released in 2025. All of it. So they're going to dump it. I'm convinced of it. Sole centralized exchange. I don't know. I mean, it seems fine. It's the only centralized exchange. Pepe market cap prediction 45 billion. Litecoin is another signal of market top when it hits all-time high. Yes, Untexas, yes. Is HEEHEE listed anywhere soon? Radium, Jupiter, Coinbase wallet. Listen, I was listening on my way home yesterday. I was listening in on this space, and somebody commented, and I tend to agree with what he said. It really doesn't. It's not a big deal. Paying to get listed on an exchange is not the play. You know, you have to give them an allocation of your tokens, and you have to pay. You know, for Bitmart, it's $50,000. For MEXC, it's $50,000. So you have to give them an allocation of your tokens as well. Those tokens get dumped. It's not worth it. But as your cryptocurrency pumps, then they will have an incentive to list your crypto on their exchange for free. That seems to be the play. So what's the ticker for HEEHEE? It's HEEHEE. Here it is, Maria. This is the link here. I'm just going to post this link in the comment section. So you grab the contract address from there if you want in. Price prediction on Palm AI. I'm sorry, I don't have one. What's up, Sherberto? Jasmine, please. I like Jasmine a lot. I made a ton of videos on it on YouTube. My price target is Jasmine 11.5 cents. So what are your thoughts on quant these days? I mean, I wouldn't be buying any quant right now. Is it the fox with a hat? Yes. Oh, Mario. Sorry, I said Maria. Mario. I have these old man eyes, so forgive me for that. I have 1 million LCX. What would be your exit plan on this? Initial is out, so only profit on this one. Oh, wow. Okay. When the next time LCX rips, it's going to rip hard. So on that rip, I'd take about a third out. Wherever it goes, I would take out a third. It'll rip and then chop and then rip one more time, I think. So HEEHEE ads, how many have you done? As in like paid, how many have I paid other people to do? Maybe like 10, I don't know. I am paying right now. I paid $500 for this Twitter raid thing. It's all bots, but it's increased the volume and price, and it was $500 for a week's worth of action. I think it's paid itself off. The HEEHEE account has gotten more followers, more legit followers. The Telegram group has been growing since then, so I might just do that every week. $500 a week. So we can't see the drama on TikTok. Explain to us too. Yeah, Ravi. Someone named Castle Winter. We've just been arguing back and forth about different things. We seem to disagree a lot. And then somebody said, ban him. And I'm like, I'm not going to ban somebody for disagreeing with me. If you're going to be a jerk, I'll ban you. But Castle Winter's not being a jerk. So, oh, you have 100,000. Okay, but still. Thoughts on Delicium? Sorry, don't know enough. You're welcome, Adomas. Thought on Loopring? I do think it's going to put in a new all-time high, just barely. $4.09 is my target. How much Jupiter do you hold? Whatever I got airdropped. I don't hold any more than that. Bitcoin Cash. I have warmed up a lot to Bitcoin Cash. I used to say Bitcoin Cash is trash. So, have you looked at getting HEEHEE onto all the trendings on Moon Talk? Moon Talk. Let me see here. Hello, Landulci. When you say LCX rips, does that mean it'll multiple dollars or maybe to $1? I think the next move would be around $1 maybe. Next explosive move. Oh, I'm just, all right, is Moon Talk, it's a Chinese global community. I don't know anything about it, but I'm open to it. Thank you, Crypto Storm. Ondo or AO's Ondo. Thoughts on Axendao price prediction? $500 million market cap. Thoughts on Render? $35 my target. That's probably too conservative. Celestia has been trouble lately. I mean, it's been terrible. Where's it at right now? $9.20. Man, I wouldn't be buying this even now. It's just on a clear downtrend. Once it puts in a higher high, I'd be loading up on Celestia pretty hard. So, Ondo or Pendle for RWA play? Pendle. Pendle is my #1 conviction cryptocurrency. VeChain's steadily growing over the years, man. So 33 cents is my price target. Thoughts on Shinobi Ninja? I've lost a lot of money using their bot, so I'll say that. How about that? Other people have made money using their bot. I've lost money. It is what it is. So, hello, Uwu. Is there, and how can we help promote HEEHEE? I mean, join the Telegram group and do the raids. The raids are the big thing. So, are you playing any political cryptos? I have FK Biden. And then I have something called Joing 747. I don't even actually remember the name of it. It might be Joing 747, Boeing, you know. What I don't remember the name. I have it. Okay. Let me see what cryptos I have in this wallet here. I have a few different wallets. I created this wallet to demonstrate how to buy any crypto on Solana blockchain. So this is my new wallet from a few weeks ago. So Ponky, HEEHEE. All right, there isn't much in here. Never mind. Anyway. Ondo or Arrow? Ondo's a higher conviction play than Arrow, but I think Arrow is going to put in greater returns. So, what's your Pendle price prediction? $57. And again, asking price predictions spreadsheet. Here we go. Oh. Should I load up on some Pendle now? I mean, you had an opportunity to load up. So, Kitsune, I don't know anything about it. Alephium, very bullish on Alephium. Smaller cap layer 1. $91 or so is my price target. Aerodrome, I've talked about Aero a ton. I made a YouTube on it. I'm very bullish on Aerodrome. We've surpassed your prediction. Do you have a new price prediction? It didn't surpass it. My price target's $106. Now, it certainly seems like it's going to go much higher than that, but I'm not changing. I'm not changing it. So, ICP or Aerodrome to hold in your portfolio. I'm not a fan. These one or the other could. I'm not a huge fan of it. I like both. If we're talking about for this bull run, I think I could see Aerodrome outperforming ICP, but Aerodrome's a much smaller market cap crypto. But then ICP for this decade easily. Is ETH going to 2 to 3x soon? Soon? I don't know about soon. I mean, my target's $11,689. So I think Render can go to $100 by the end of next cycle, to be honest. It's possible. I mean, my $35 price target seems way too conservative. Full Moon coming. Is that the good one or the bad one? I don't remember. So, can Manta reach $20? I'm less excited about Manta right now. Target on Avalanche. Again, every one of these, so many of these cryptos. My target's $52 for Manta. So many of these cryptos I've already done price target videos for. Avalanche, it's a little over $200. I don't remember. Mid-curve play, Ethereum. Ocean, no thoughts. It's merging. I don't own any Ocean. I don't own any Fetch anymore. I don't own any Ajax. When will you exit all positions? It's a great question. I don't know. I will say, when there's 1,000 people in my TikTok live stream, I'm selling half of my crypto, and I'm dead serious. 1,000 people. Next time there's 1,000 people in my TikTok live stream, I am selling half of my crypto. And you know what? You know what I'm going to do? This might be a little aggressive, but I'm not selling any of my crypto until there's 1,000 people in this live stream next time. And then when there's 1,000 people, I'm selling half. So if there's any reason for you to follow me, for those of you watching this live stream on TikTok and you don't follow me, that's the reason. Forget about my content, whether you like it or not, which you should. But that's the reason. Soul Bastard, good luck. HEEHEE forever. When my grandmother asks what Bitcoin is, I'm selling. I mean, listen, did your grandmother ask about Bitcoin in March when Bitcoin was at $73,800 and altcoins were on a tear, and then altcoins dumped more than 50%? So I don't think the grandmother metric is entirely the play. That's a play. I mean, if that's the next level up. That's why I'm only selling half only at 1,000 people in my TikTok live stream. Because after that, what comes after that potentially would be your grandmother, your Uber driver, your barber, the big three, you know, all asking about crypto, saying, oh, should I get in? That would be the next level up of euphoria from 1,000 people being in my live stream. So thoughts on Flux? I like Flux a lot. Very bullish on it. You can see my price target video on YouTube here. Why is Ondo such a high conviction? I've explained this a ton. I'll explain it again. The things that Pendle and Ondo, the things that they're both bringing, they're both trying to bring to blockchain technology. It is next level. And it's a side of RWA. When most people think RWA, they think real estate. Pendle and Ondo are RWA cryptos, and they have nothing to do with real estate. You know, Ondo is trying to bring treasuries to the blockchain. Treasuries. That's trillions of dollars. That's tens. I don't even know how many trillions of dollars. That is trillions of dollars. Japan and China alone own between $7 and $8 trillion of treasuries. And that's just one thing that they're doing. Anyway, what do you think about Blast potential this cycle? Blast has a lot of money locked into their ecosystem. That's on my radar. I am not going to be in on Blast itself, but their ecosystem I am very interested in. So ecosystem, Fuel. Fuel is launching in June. I made a video about it like over a month ago. They're launching on Ape Terminal. Very, very interested in Fuel. ETH Layer 2 or Bitcoin Layer 2? ETH Layer 2s are probably a little played out. Bitcoin Layer 2s are very intriguing to me. Should I be watching you on TikTok to time the top? Yes. When a meme is fair launch, it gets jeeted and doesn't have legs. Possibly. When the count hits 1,000, I'm going to stop watching so you won't be able to sell with 999. That's funny. What do you think how long this bull run would stay till April, July 2025? I have been saying consistently 2024. I believe this bull run is going to peak in 2024. Well, let me back up real quick. I believe the peak of euphoria is going to be in 2024. So remember 2021, the peak of euphoria was in April and May. And then we did put in a higher high in November of 2021 in the total crypto market cap. But in terms of the level of excitement for those of you who are here in 2021, you all know that April and May was the peak of euphoria. That was the peak of insanity. So when I'm talking about the peak, I'm talking about that. I believe that that will be in 2024, maybe the end of 2024. Now, could there be something in 2025 where the total crypto market cap once again does put in a higher high? There could be, but I don't think the level of excitement is going to be anywhere near what the first peak of euphoria would be. So, all right, thank you, Lorinas. You think we will have a crypto summer, or will be a bit choppy and more gains towards the end of the year? I think a steady climb throughout the summer. Sell in May and go away, right? Sell in May and go away. That has proven to not be true this time around. Same deal in 2023. Kind of the same deal in 2022. So 2022 was a sell in 2022 and go away kind of thing. 2021 was sell in May and go away. 2020, Bitcoin halving, that was not a sell in May and go away kind of thing. It did chop throughout 2020. 2019 was very much not sell in May and go away. So, anyway. Thank you, Patrick. Thoughts on Rio? Very bullish on Rio. Very bullish. I've talked about it a lot. So, price of Bitcoin right now, $66,486. Illuvium, man, any hope? I have not been excited about Illuvium. Play to earn, it's just they can't create an ecosystem with these play to earn games. Because what you want to do, ideally, is try to incentivize the game players to make a lot of money while also not inflating your supply too much. Good luck with that. That's pretty much impossible. So I do have a $1,000 price target for Illuvium. That's a little bit more than half its previous all-time high. That's the peak for me. I can't see it going much higher than that. Thank you, Joe. All right, guys, I'm switching to subscriber only. Will Bitcoin pump or dump today? I mean, it's up today, so I don't think it's going to go all that much lower today, and then the weekend kind of chops. I'm switching to subscriber only on TikTok. If you want to stay in this live stream, for those of you on TikTok, head on over to YouTube. I will still be live on YouTube. But otherwise, thank you all for your time. Subscriber only. I've been live for 1 hour and 7 minutes. I'm going to have to end this live stream somewhat soon. So I always dedicate some time at the end to subscribers. Since when do you count peak anything besides price? Oh, since 2021. Oh, yeah. I made so much more money in the spring of 2021. Sorry, in April and May of 2021 than I did in by the peak in November. That's the play, man. That's the play. Now is the time to long your longs. We'll see. Thank you, Joe. Any new low cap good products? Lux. I'm going to message you about this. TARS protocol. Follow them on X. All right, let's see. How many TikToks are in your live now on average? About 300. Alex, you are the only one I watch every day. Thank you so much. On. Same way we broke history with breaking all-time high for Bitcoin before the halving. I don't know what you're saying. I think you can pull ribbon off of your spreadsheet. Why? Is it not doing well? Did you catch Clay's live stream last night? No. It was at 1 in the morning, my time. So, GRT. It's still one of my not top 5, but it was one of my top 5 bear market buys. And it's still very high up there. All right, so Ribbon was over $1 billion in market cap at one point. I don't think Ribbon's done. So, do you still like Mint Layer? Yes. I know that it hasn't done well you know, after it did a 50x, but I'm still in it. I think it's going to be fine. Avo ribbon token dump killed the community. Oh. Okay, I mean, I don't know a ton about ribbon fundamentally. I'll be honest about that. That's why, you know, I did want to look into it for the spreadsheet. So yeah, mint layers down a lot. Wow. All right, 34 cents. I thought that said 14 cents. Never mind. I mean, it's down as much as a lot of other, you know, these newer cryptos. So iStars on Radium now. What's that? iStars? I don't know what that is. Okay, let's see. One mid-cap AI coin AOs and one low-cap AI coin OPSEC that will go on the best run. I mean, mid-cap AI, I'm choosing AOs. Low-cap AI, I mean, OPSEC, I don't really think of it that way. I mean, I'm still in on Clore, still bullish on it. Sell crypto in 2024 or 2025? Yes. Yes. What's your target on Rio? I don't have one. I don't think I'm going to have one. So I'm just bullish on it. Why don't you like XRP? I don't dislike it. I don't love it. I don't like ISO 20022 coins for this cycle. Next time around, very much in on XRP. Oh, is TAR's protocol on Radium? I would assume so. It's a Solana-based cryptocurrency. He is ripping. The guy that did a community takeover of Solnick endorsed HEEHEE. Yeah, we might partner together. I'm actually going to get on a phone call with him in about 3 hours. So we're going to see how we can help boost each other's communities. So, all right, was referring to how certain trends in past history are different this time around. Example on how Bitcoin usually breaks all-time high after the halving. Yeah. So why is it crazy? Why am I crazy for thinking that Bitcoin's that the crypto market, the peak of euphoria is gonna be in 2024? That makes so much sense to me. It's like the peak of euphoria should not have been in April and May of 2021. It should have been 6 months later, but we all knew what was coming, so we just got a little too excited a little too soon. And so why not a little bit earlier this time around? I mean, Bitcoin already did cross its all-time high. Is now a good time to buy more Pendle? I believe so. Yeah. I mean, it would have been better earlier this week, but... All right, Alex, thoughts on... Well, hold on a second. Harmony is developing very much soon list on Coinbase. What's your thoughts on this? I haven't been paying attention to Harmony 1 since 2021. I don't love it, but who knows, you know? Anything can happen. HEEHEE spring coiling tight. Yes, sir. Getting ready for takeoff. Thoughts on Prime? Echelon Prime, I did make a price target video on it. Although I don't think I put it on the spreadsheet. I really need to update my spreadsheet. So, yep, it's not on the spreadsheet, but I did make a video, so please check it out. What's your thoughts on Open Fabric? I don't know anything about it. Is LCX a good buy right now? I would be buying LCX right now. Get $4,000 on XLM. Where should I put it? Yeah, not on XLM. I mean, I've been saying, you know, render and AOs usually, but NVIDIA earnings is next week. I do think there's going to be a small pump next week. After that, you'd have to sell. So, I mean, if you want a short-term play, render and AOs. But then Ondo and Pendle. Another one that I just keep on forgetting to talk about, Hash AI. I really like it. I think Hash AI is going to do very well. And then, of course, HEEHEE and LCX. Make lots of money. Good luck, everyone. Are looking into notching Telegram gaming token. What? Okay. I have Solnick and HEEHEE. Excited to see where we go. Nice. Yes. Views on Athena and Dimension. I have not looked into Athena yet. Dimension. You can check out the video. Modular blockchain, right? So I think there's a play for modular blockchains this bull run. I have a price target of $37.61. I just sold all my ETH and bought more HEEHEE. Okay. Nice. All right, I tried to buy some Alex, and there was a 99% price impact. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay. I did not know. I did not know that. I didn't realize it was like that bad. Alex Labs, 14 cents, $87 million market cap. Yeah. All right. I mean, if it's a 99% price impact, definitely stay away. Thank you, Spook. Any small AI coins on Sol? This is the only one that I know about. TARS protocol. And I'm going to make a video on it next week. Did you know that MAGA crypto donates to veterans? I did not. Great. I and I don't mean to. I hope that didn't come off as sarcastic. That's great. You know, how much do I care? Not a ton. I'm sorry to say it like that. You know. Not coin. I don't know enough. FFIE just went past $3. So many people talking about this. I don't know anything about it, so Dustin, nice. So what does this chart look like? Let's look at the last month. Oh my goodness. 5 cents. 4 cents. 5 cents. This is amazing. I just don't know anything about it. Faraday Future Inc. $3.22. I might look into this after this live stream. Will Miro 10x from today's price? Probably. You're welcome, Philip. Crypto Bastard just did a nice review on the HEEHEE chart. Chart's looking really good. Congratulations. All right. Thank you. Maybe he feels bad. Because let's not get into that. And you know what? I mean, I hope Soul Bastard goes well. I'm not a participant, but I hope it goes well. Do you think LCX will really get that much volume? Yes. I mean, yes. There's people. I don't know. I'm convinced that like Sage has that he's not getting paid by LCX. I'm convinced of it. That he just genuinely believes LCX. Like there's people like that. There's people who are insane about LCX. That it'll get the volume, not to go to $50, but. You ever hit your Pepe Long? I am in my Pepe Long right now, yeah. I hope it doesn't get stopped out. I raised the stop. I'm up pretty big on it. And I raised the stop price to like 0.000095 or something like that. So I want to ride this, man. I want to ride this to like $40 billion. I'd make probably $30,000 on that one trade. So... Can Fluence reach $10? I don't know. We need some crypto influencer boxing matches. I'd pay crypto to watch it. You know what, guys? I would totally be up for that. I know, like, you know, BitBoy Crypto. He did that. I talked to my wife, and you know what? My wife was not opposed to it. Sign me up, man. If there's any way that any of you have any connections, sign me up. I am in. I mean, listen, I'm 42 years old. I'm of an age that I still think I can do stuff like that. If that's the end of me, then I bid you adieu. But anyway. Yeah, I don't know anything about Fluence. 99% impact is gone now. Not sure what's going on. I seriously, I might buy some. that kind of stuff, man. You know, so many places get hacked. Thorchain's gotten hacked. Solana's gotten hacked. They're fine. So, thoughts on Cybria once the mainnet goes fully functional live? I'm too skeptical about Cybria. I haven't changed on that. Cybria has nothing really going for it that would make me think that it's going to do well. So, XSwap is up 30% today, 9 million market cap, uses CCIP Chainlink. I made a video about that. And then, you know, I made a video on it close to the peak. And so people calling, oh, wait, never mind. XSwap, never mind. I have not made a video on XSwap. Do you think MicroStrategy is going past 2K? Oh, man. Probably. Which crypto got hacked and is down 99%? It's not down 99%. Alex Labs. There was somebody said a 99% price impact, but apparently that's gone now. So you've said your render target is probably too low. How low? Maybe it'll double my target. Maybe it'll triple. I don't know. Alex as well. Hope this isn't the desk smash question. I just did that for fun. But I always tune in, but I'm not sure if you were still working on the leverage trading space. If I'm not mistaken, I think you had something on it. Still working on the leverage trading space. I use leverage when I trade. I don't know what you're saying. Views on GHST. I don't know enough. Are you talking about the Solana meme, not the ICP meme coin, or the one that has functionality? Aavegotchi? I don't know anything about it. Is that it? Is Cody still okay? Yes. Leverage teaching. I mean, the member, if you join the YouTube channel as a member, we talk about trading a lot during those live streams. So members only live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, which is 20 UTC. So I came in late. Were you waterboarded often today's live? A little bit. Not as bad as yesterday. Give me a good AI project, thanks. TARS Protocol. I'm going to talk about it next week in a TikTok video. TARS Protocol. Alex versus Becker. Becker would kill me. And I mean, maybe I'd have a weight advantage, and maybe I'd have enough drive to be. But listen, I would probably do well against Alex Becker in the first round, and then if he survived that, he would destroy me. He's in like pristine shape. I am not in good shape. Hopefully this summer I'll get in better shape. But I got it. Thanks. I'll look into it. Another area when I want to start to learn about. What exchange do you use? All right, this is going to be my last question for YouTube. What exchange do I use? Lots. So Bing X, strongly recommend. Use my referral link in the description of all my YouTube videos. If you're in the United States or UK, sign up for 3 months free of NordVPN. A referral link is also in the description of this video. And then connect to Australia or something like that. Bitmart. I use Bitmart. We need influencer debates. I don't know what you're talking about, Boilermaker. I use Trust Wallet. Which, you know, I connect to Uniswap or SushiSwap or PancakeSwap. I use MetaMask. I use Coinbase. I even have some meme coins on Robinhood. So I have crypto everywhere. Alex Costa, greater than Alex Becker. If he would have too much to lose if we got in one of those boxing matches. He posts so much with his shirt off. Oh, debates instead of boxing. I mean, it's not going to happen. But he posts so much with his shirt off on X, talking about how he's constructing this perfect body so that he could live to be 140 years old. And here I am sitting in this chair telling you I've got another 25 years to live. You know, it's like, who should win a fight like that? Alex Becker or Alex Costa? It doesn't matter. It can only be Alex Costa versus BNC. I would destroy him. I would end him in a fight, in a boxing match. All right. That's a good place to end. And I don't care if he hears that. See you later, everybody.